Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Meta Quest 3. This is actually incredible. I've got the 512 gigabyte version. I'll be doing an unboxing, I'll be doing a setup of this, and this is a walkthrough. An introduction of sort, a review. This will be quite interesting. I'll be giving you my impressions of this device. What I've seen so far, based on this device demo that other people have been using, I think it can be very useful for me in my workspace. I'm also a very digital person. I love to stream movies, love to play games. An experience like this could be really incredible. I'm really fascinated to find out what this is actually like. And I'm still interested in getting the Apple version of this, but it's far more expensive, it's far more premium. And that's not coming out yet. And when that device does get released by Apple, will it be the entire world or will it only be the US and Canada? We don't know yet. Based on what I've seen, I think it's only the US and probably Canada. But I don't think it will be a worldwide release, which would be really unfortunate because I'd really like to get that device in hand. It looks fantastic and I'll be super excited for that device. And from a standstill, you can sort of just push this device out. So you can just slide it out just like that. So if we just slide the device, it actually just slides all the way out. Could have been done better, to be honest, but that's not too bad. That's actually quite interesting. That's our device, ladies and gents. Let's take a closer look, shall we? That's our device. What an experience. Absolutely incredible. And now we can just tilt it over just like that. We can actually just rest it there. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And if we had it like that, we can literally just open it just like that. That's pretty cool, if I'm being completely honest. At least they've put some thought into that, just a little bit. So I am glad that there was some thought that was put into the unboxing experience. It's not the best unboxing experience, but it's all right. It's all right. I'd give it a 3 out of 5, to be honest. So if we'd like to take a look at that closer unboxing experience, we can simply just open it just like that. There we go. That's our device. Looks pretty good, to be honest. And obviously you can see the cameras a little bit farther down, but what an experience. Honestly, let me know what you think about this unboxing experience. Like I said, I'd give it a 3 out of 5 personally. I'm okay with it. Think it could have been a little bit better, but it's okay for now. Now what I'd like to do is to bring the device a little bit closer to you, of course. Let's bring this device a little bit closer to you. Gotta hold it really high because my camera is high, of course. If we open it like that, it gives us some instructions on how to use this device. Now with this particular device, I think this is the one without the battery strap. So that's actually going to be very interesting how this is supposed to get started. We've got a barcode that we can scan right there. And I'm guessing that barcode simply just helps us start learning how to use the device, how to set up the device. So that's pretty cool. What I can do, I can simply just take it out just like that. So I'll rest that there for a moment. This is the actual device. Now, which way is it supposed to be? I think this is the direct way it's supposed to be. So if we're looking at it, it's gonna be something like this. How does that look? It actually feels really good. It feels premium, if I'm being completely honest. It's not super premium. It's not like luxurious like the Apple version. The Apple version is extremely premium, but this actually feels pretty good. I won't lie. This actually feels pretty good. It's got sensors, got cameras. It's got all the bells and whistles. So this is good, ladies and gents. What else do we have in the boxing experience? We've got the controllers. It kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Wii controllers, if I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna put those on my desk. Yeah, it gives me a Wii kind of vibe, and also kind of like an Xbox kind of vibe. We've got something else. We've got something else in the unboxing experience. So these are some wiring systems that I'm guessing. Maybe like the charger, who knows? So that's it now. The box is pretty much empty. I've just got to scan that barcode and then we can take it from there. I like this kind of brown wooden color, this kind of cardboard kind of color. This is what I'm using on my desk mat as well, just for the unboxing experience. It might be a little bit weird, but I think it will work. We can put that there for now. So ladies and gents, that's everything set up. Let's give you a closer look at these devices before we get everything fully set up. It's going to be quite exciting. Let me know what you think. Do you like it so far? Are you excited to see this experience with me? That means a lot to me, seriously. So, ladies and gents, let me know what you think of this device so far. I think it looks quite premium in my opinion. I quite like the weight, I like the feel. Now, I haven't tested it fully. Of course, I haven't tried it on yet, so we still got a long way to go. But so far, so good in my opinion. I do like the feel. I like the vibe that it's giving me, to be honest. It seems like a really lovely device in all accounts. And if we can get closer, we can see all the bells and whistles on this device. It is quite incredible what Meta has done for this device. Seriously, I'm quite interested. I am quite fascinated. I am quite impressed with what Meta have done here. I'm quite happy with the results. Everyone, so I just had my first experience using this. It's all right. It's all right. It's not what you'd expect from Apple. I expect the Apple device to be a lot better, but this is a good start. It's a good start. I feel like it's definitely doable. It's definitely wearable. You know, it might not be the best headset on the market. There might be more advanced headsets, but I feel like for now, it will probably do just fine. I still got some things to get used to. Yeah, still got to get used to the experience because it's different seeing other people's recorded version of their interactions with their environment than to see my version of my interaction with my environment. It's a little bit different. So that will take some time to get used to, but I mostly buy this for the entertainment, the experience. So I'm still looking forward to using it more and more. I think it's okay, but it's an interesting perspective, to be honest. I still think that Meta can improve this device a lot more for future versions and make it more premium and make it more enjoyable and make it better. Future versions will definitely be improved, but I feel like for now, I'm quite happy with this. I'm quite satisfied, and I'll be using it more to review. I'll be doing a full review soon. This is more of an unboxing and setup video. I like it so far. I do like it, and I think I'll have time to get used to it more often. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. That, ladies and gents, is the Meta Quest 3.